What is familial hypertrophic cardiomyopathy? Familial hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is a hereditary disease that causes excessive growth of the heart muscle. As you can see in the picture on the right here, on the left it's healthy heart, and the one on the right is the one with hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. So, symptoms include chest pain, shortness of breath, arrhythmias, fainting, and more. This disease affects 1 in 500 people. The most common abnormality associated with this condition is hypertrophy of the left ventricle, which is depicted as well on the picture of the right. As you can see here, the left ventricle in image B is significantly thicker than that of image A. So the normal process, which is the transduction pathway, it takes place in the sarcomere, which is a protein responsible for the basic contraction of the muscle fiber. It starts when the ligand, which is calcium, begins the heart's contractions by moving into the cell. This triggers the opening of the ryanodine receptor channel. The calcium then binds to TNC, causing an allosteric change. This exposes the site where myosin and actin binds, leading to the contraction of the heart. When this process occurs too frequently, problems occur. And it's important to note that myosin is a molecule responsible for the contraction of muscles. So what causes this disease? Familial hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is mostly inherited through autosomal dominant genes. In individuals with this condition, these genes contain mutations, such as insertions, deletions, etc. When they code for sarcomeric proteins, problems arise. The most common genes for this are MYH7, which produces the protein cardiac beta myosin heavy chain, and MYBPC3, which provides instructions for cardiac myosin binding protein C. And you can see here it's a chart of the different proteins, genes, location, and the percentages. How is it treated? So the goal of medication for this disease is to reduce the strength at which the heart muscle squeezes and to slow the heart rate so the heart can more effectively pump blood throughout the body. Some of these medications include beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, heart rhythm drugs, and blood thinners. If necessary, surgeries to remove excess tissue may be performed. So in this example here, it's talking about a calcium channel, which is important because the whole process where the heart starts begins with calcium entering the cell. So if excess amounts of calcium are blocked from entering, then the heart will not be able to pump excessively, which will decrease the symptoms of this disease.